Shanice,
Yeah?
come here. Where food is?
You don't cook it, babes.
Me no done cook it. You not see me so asleep. What do you mean food not done cook it?
And you say food not done cook it. What you want me to do?
Anyway, me I hold a bait. Make sure so me come back with food ready.
Here.
Oh, that's my son. Shanice!
Yeah.
Shanice, come here. How are them here? What kind of dirty clothes them you wash? You say you wash. Look on them here. Sit down here, sir. Yes, sir, me say if you sit down. You say you want a man and you can't wash. You
Alright.
look to my clothes them.
Then sinners not smell good. You wash them yourself.
Hey girl, what you do? Eh? What you do? Eh? Eh? Hey, girl, man, eh? You can't wash, eh? I hope you not stand there and ball and make your food burn up. You say you want a good man. See you get good man then now. Get up.
Tiffy, you see you beat me and make your food burn up.
What you say? Food burn up? Eh? Eh? Food burn up, girl?
Sir, I'm looking for a man named Niney. Where could I find him?
Who wants to know?
Me wants to know.
What you want 90 for?
Cause my boyfriend a beat me up to wanting to teach me about martial arts.
Well, I mean him so. So you sure you want to learn?
Yes, I want to learn.
Alright. Check me upon the beach Friday evening 6 o'clock.
So what that all cost me?
We can squint out. And you can pay off, and it's been a while, you know, since I had a little rank, if you know what I mean.
I don't know what you're talking about.
A big vegetable I've been eating, so maybe there is some other meat on the line.
What kind of meat?
Girl, you want me spit it out for you. Different dimension. Now I shall find myself a new student. You are late.
I know somebody have to look for something before I come.
That's not an excuse.
Yes, sir.
Next time, make sure you are early.
Okay.
Now we're going to start the ultimate training. Are you ready for this?
Me ready.
Make sure you're ready. All right. After 3 officers from 1, 2, 3, go! See that? You're so fat and lazy. You need to burn calories. Work harder. This is not a laughing matter. You lazy student. I can hear you tumbling down like a volcano erupt. Whenever the person cannot
for the pressure points, like the eyes. Once you get the eyes, you can take over his body. Okay? So you would use your two fingers like this. And when he approach you, you do like this. Wah!
Up on the place. Up on the place. And up on phone.
Every time I clean up the place, what make you can't clean it now?
Give me phone, man. Eh? Man, if you don't want to get one more of that, you know, better clean your house.
Just try again now. Try again now. No Karachi now. No Karachi now. No Karachi now. No Karachi.
Where do you a while ago?
Yes, sir, what do
Where you a while ago? You miss me, you know. You miss the underconda, you know. Then mommy tell you that.
How which stage you say you go? I don't like how you look. I sort it out for you. I fix it the right way. Because I don't want when you go to work, you know, them turn you down or fill about your head not tan good and you don't look good for the people them work. So I have to fix it up. Because I don't want to get a laugh off of me out the road and they laugh off of you.
No, man, don't worry about that. Remember to me, I
And your
supervise.
clothes, son. I 2 minutes there, I can press the clothes. You could have pressed the clothes because I'm gone.
Baby. Yes, sir.
Come in, the feet too hot, man. I have to take time and walk. I didn't even need to set it in. I don't like you saying you know, nothing about you. You can take a good and people who good dining table. Yes, check it. Now we want to face.
Morning, Candy and Papa.
Morning, baby.
I just transfer you 50,000 in your account.
What?
You can go and buy something, okay,
Yes,
baby?
that's why I'm happy. I love your soul, like
Yeah, I'm late for work.
All right, baby. Take care.
Okay,
and
ma'am.
Drive safe. Drive safe. Babes, remember this something. Later you have to carry something for me. You hear? You know what me I talk already. Love you. Bye. Me soon come back here. Yeah, come back. Come chat me. Yes, you here.
Yes, ma'am.
Only good man there.
Yeah, good man, yeah.
A long time I not see your
You're
girl.
right at Jamaica, yes.
I lie, me think you did gone a friend and see you look nice. I get no baby.
No, I'm not getting no baby.
You not married yet, no nothing.
None of them.
Show backside, you look good. A long time I not see you. Give me a hug. So what go on? Where they call me about on the phone and they tell me about
You know,
the man.
say-
What the man I deal with?
You know, say, boy, the man not going with nothing, you know.
I lie, you not go on good.
No, me have to dash him out of the day because I not going with nothing.
Here you are.
Yeah.
So all you a do, so you wash, cook and clean for him?
I'll have to
Everything?
do. Yeah.
My mind tell me say something wrong, you know, cause no man can have this a good strong body girl and they not do nothing. No money, nothing good not go on in the house. So what go on? You know say my man treat me good?
Yeah, me jealous too. Like when your boyfriend are living up.
I lie.
Yeah.
You know saying love me but I love him bad too.
Boy, I wish me couldn't find one boyfriend like that too.
He take care of me. He just send 50 grand in my account, girl.
I lie.
One of them the man that you want.
Yeah, me want one too. Me wish me couldn't find one and settle along with her and anything there.
No. No, you're talking. Girl, let me tell you something. You see the good man them, they hard to find. But good man out the road where you can find.
Alright, cut story short now.
Mm-hmm.
Go left here now and go look one down in the town there now.
You mean good luck? I hope
Yeah.
you find one.
Yeah, man.
Call me, you know.
Yeah, man, I'll give you a call, man.
Yeah, man,
I
call
mean,
me.
you find him, me make you know where they go and see him.
Alright,
Yeah?
I'm going to find one for you.
Alright. No.
Because me know where the good man is.
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Good evening.
Evening.
This me a dance. I give me a dance, you know. You wonder how me a dance, I'm not, you know, rhythm, not true?
Yeah, you must be cypher or something.
No, girl, I just you give me a piece of rhythm, the way you walk, come in there. So I go on different, you know, something like you know. But that take for a man like me get a woman like you know.
A man like you?
Yeah, and
You can't mind me, you're broke.
two boss man is, you know, ding dong them. Yeah, man. Let me show dance like them, you them, man. Yeah, man, you see it inside. Yeah, man. I like you. I like you though, for real.
I come for shelter from the rain, I never come for look, man.
No, but me see you there turn up, you know, so we just try entertain you, see if I get to like the rest of still, you know.
You can't take care of me, you're broke.
But you can take
You
care of me
look
too.
like you have one job or nothing like that. You know, so you're out here to dance.
I'm a dancer. Can't work. So ding dong them after them dance and get their money at first. You know, when them bigger now, they see them on TV, so I just gotta start off. What you say? You don't like it? You don't left a number?
Listen to me, I come for shelter from the rain, I come for talk to you. You cannot mind me, you're broke. Go shelter somewhere else.
Me a good man now, you run for a good man, you know. Good man, I only good man left.
Yeah, you tell the girl say I want good man, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah. I want good man for you.
Yes, me a good man.
Eh.
Yeah.
So, what make you a good man? What makes you a good man?
What make I a good man?
Yeah.
It's because me born good. And
Eh.
even my name is loyalty. So you have no problem with me. I don't cheat and I don't eat.
So that's why me coming out and find one good man. So come on now. Yande.
She not there, you know.
You sure say she not there here?
Yeah, man, she gone to the supermarket. But
Yeah.
anyway, where you want me woman for do?
Me new man, me want sure.
Ah, boy, you know man, alright, Rasta. Me tell her, no worry, me tell her about that.
So nobody need me message, you know?
No worry, me don't give her matches, me I'll drink it. Take it a good man, thank God.
Yeah.
Go on.
Alright.
Go stew some pork.
Yeah.
Alright. Easy, Rasta.
Alright. Go on up here and make yourself comfortable. Come here.
Which
Go
one
in
I
the
house
house.
them?
The back house on the back there, man.
Oh, that was the one I saw?
Yeah.
Look like it locked, so.
Push the door and go on in, man.
So I know see you rate me, you know.
Yeah, man, me rate Rasta, man. Alright, me I go in town, go buy some clothes and come back, you know, come on, fix up, kind of stay good, you know. Rasta feel look good, you know.
I do.
Yeah, man, that's true, man. Rasta feel look good, man.
I true.
Yeah.
Alright. So we go up here and do it.
Yeah, man, go on.
Some food and
Yeah, man, go on and come.
Alright.
Alright. Yandy. There. Just remember me give Papa a message. We tell you so me have a new man and then where there, you know.
You give my man message
Yeah,
to
of
give
course
me.
me give a man the message.
So you not give me a message.
You know, he must hear me.
Give my man one message. to give
Yeah, yeah, anytime
give
say
me.
go to supermarket.
me. He not give me and he eat
And
it.
yeah, near me.
I did give him something before he eat before me go and eat
He-
him that.
Yeah,
Maybe he didn't hungry still.
maybe. Later, young girl. Me I go down the road and I'm go buy some clothes to my man, you know.
You go down yeah, where you say you go?
Down the road go buy some clothes to my man.
You know say you're a man idiot, you're a man clown.
What you say?
You're a man clown, cause no man can't clown me out. I buy that the man they
Later,
love.
young girl.
One, when you have your fool man, them where trick you up, now come to me with a story.
Boy, some girl is bad mind for me money. If they see something, I go buy clothes to the man and then catch bad mind. What the-
Nonsense. Who a man ding dong?
Yeah. You remember the first time I see in the town and I tell her I like you, but this is a small world, you know, we get to know me since me don't want really want bum. With a real youth at a certain time in a life, if things go down for you. But now things up for me and now, I'm a right time and now.
Fire!
What one?
So me can't tell me for she. I don't understand.
Come on, man. Where is it? What? No, I'm a cousin that man. I'm gonna carry
You can't tell me that fire.
Calm down, man. Where is it?
Come,
No, look, I'm cousin. I look at I'm cousin. I'm a
what
cousin.
you say?
Come on, man. You not trust me?
No, I'm not trust the fire.
You see me? I tell you, I'm loyal, you know.
So
So you're going to try this me. You not trust me?
No, I'm not trust the fire.
Oh, I trust you. You go down there. They ask you where you go.
No, you can't ask me because I'm one big man.
So go here, watch me for.
So no man then you know you for watch you.
After me on TV, you say go on for your something for your.
You sure?
You go on for your something for
You
your.
trust you, no?
No, that bad I trust anything, man. Go on for your something for you. So watch me, son.
Alright then.
So I go and babe.
Who is she?
Oh, my sister. So I really no man, no worry about that man. My sister for real. That's one thing we do for you at the moment. So you know, in this, I say go on brawling. Yeah man, that's my family spirit.
I'm gonna use the bathroom and come back. We're just gonna take a cigarette.
Take a time and come. Wagwan, I want to you.
Oh, you know some man left me.
Here we are.
Yes.
Girl, sit down and lie there. That a good man the way you tell me about. Sit down right here. Want to you and that man there.
You know some me catch him down the road with a new girl.
That's a lie.
A true man, a true.
A lie you tell.
Yes, a true.
A different man you see.
And him say when me see.
You're too lie because
Yeah.
that the man the way you convince me with.
Yeah.
Me no want hear no story about you. A lie you tell.
A true. My friend a true.
So all you know say you're a man.
Yeah, because he new clothes when me buy him, I know say a him.
You sure say him?
A him.
So in down there so with the girl you know?
Yeah.
So what you ever do about it?
Come for the about it, me can't know about it.
Girl, you idiot. Make we go down there so go take off your clothes them and for the man.
Come on now.
Come on. We are
Come
going to do
on.
that. Don't we have to strip it, boy.
Yeah, man.
Yo. Hey boy, this.
Yeah, him said one.
So we are going to do about that.
You take strip him.
So strip it, boy, and stop talking.
What is that, Chinese?
You don't know where they're going.
You don't know what I want.
You're blind.
You don't see the player, girl. How come you there so now in front of me?
Because me never go up here, me pass, so you saw with the woman. And me pretend like me don't know say I'm girl in here.
And you came back friend now.
Yeah, we are going to strip you and warrior too. And the girl we are come
Try
back.
now. Try now.
Alright, come now.
No joke, man. Mike, yo, stop it talking and make me strip it, boy.
Why you look so?
You know, so one. It's a good thing for people a while ago. Gunman come in a while ago. Just so me close them there, then take everything down.
So then take off everything from you and then I rob you. I don't understand where they're going.
Then I see bartender duck around there. You know, I lie me a tell.
No, it's not a lie.
And I lie me a tell,
So
right?
what? Then I rob you.
Then go down my phone too. Call the police. But you call the police. Me I tell you, say, yo, the man them come with some long gun. I skill me skill. Me just say, give them the things. Them say, if you end there, I'll take your clothes and garbage. Yes, thank you, Jah. We met this morning. What a night last night was. Today is all about fixing things. Shanice baby,
Who that?
a fire ras.
What you want?
I want to talk to you because you went down last night, so I not too like, you know. I see you look good in the morning, you look beautiful like the rose them in the morning. So, we know say something good on last night where you feel say me do something wrong, when me know something do something wrong because I wasn't doing anything wrong, but me carry some flowers to you in the morning for make up. Because I want you know say, me sorry, you see it? So, when I'm putting flowers, I put in water for make up for all the things them where you say me do wrong. Because me not nothing wrong though. So, I want you take me back because I like when I decided. So, me and you is a perfect match. Me see you come with a big old mighty friend.
Yeah.
A bad man, she follow you to come fight me off, you know.
Yeah.
She no want you live happy, you know, girl.
True.
With you and fire, you know, the fire never stop burning, you know.
Yeah.
So me and say, me no want you make them look at things them mash up what we have, you know.
Yes.
Cause you know, say, last night, you see me at the shop with the girl. You know, me I talk to the girl about, it's an engagement ring. Me I try make you source one. Cause me I pray for married, but me not have the money. So me I surprise me, I try surprise you. So you deal with me wicked. You understand?
Yeah.
Good man like me, you deal with me rough. But me know that you never know me there doing, so me have to tell you the secret what me there try to do. You see it?
Yes.
So, more you take me back in, man.
Fire, I'm apologize. I'm coming in the house then now.
If you come in,
Yeah, if you come in the house.
so you forgive me.
Yeah, me forgive you.
And me forgive you too.
Alright.
Boy, what I do, cool, you know?
Yeah.
Out there cool.
Yeah, cool.
Big man, no vlogging on the plaza, you know. No vlogging on the plaza, man. Come on, every time you come here, you vlog. You not would have give me your money in my hand.
But, man, it's not illegal for vlog on the plaza.
Not because of free plaza. You're not really free on this place. I mean, I protect you, so you have to give me something. So, if you can't give me something, leave.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, man. Good night, baby. Tired, this is
Good night, honey. Why you coming so late?
extra hours, you know? I have to let off when I start them and just take over your shift. You cook anything?
Yes, of course. Your favorite? Fish and crackers.
Wow.
So you not bring nothing for me?
Your bula that you love.
Wow, thank you.
Specially made.
Yes, I love it. Looking very nice. I hope it tastes good. I was going down in your workplace today. Me hear say down there bad up some boy.
Who tell you that?
Me just hear people talk, man.
Listen, baby, nobody now run me off of my job, you know. Because you see my job, and me respond to my job. So if you're in company, they could even come with 6 guns. Me I beat them with my stick.
It look like you want dead left me. You not hear about them the boy they down at the plaza? A bad boy them.
Yendi. You know, so me take back fire ass in the house.
You taking fire ass back. The same dirty boy where you used to mine. I mean, you have to go strip the boy and beat him.
Yes, him said one.
Why said to you make you really take him back?
When he said to me, he carry flowers to me, you know, and tell me I'm beautiful.
So our man really, somebody really have to look upon you and tell us you're beautiful before you know say you're beautiful.
I can't bother with the long talking right now, because me and my work down the road if I go do right now, you know, girl. So, me I go do my work right now. Any day your man gear bun, you figure it out.
Miss,
Yes?
me care about them panty account here now. I almost 1 year now me buy them and me woman I say boy they not top bus up on him. Me want back the money, you know.
Me don't want them back, you know. Me don't want them back because your woman with them for 1 year already and never bust up on it. So take you and go on with it because me don't want it back.
You don't want them back?
No, me don't want them back. We don't do refund around here. So what you do? And I sister I sell me the sell, man. Eh? That's a head dirty boy, man. Now you can't dash a jazz in my pan, but I sister I sell me the sell, man. And your woman wear the jazz and you know, man. I'm going to take up here and fling you away, man. get the chance, you know. Man, I hear where the chance, you know.
I know me attack. With the old dry rotten sitting them. What?
Dirty boy. Chase one come chase me a two tongue. Me pack up my sitting them and left that place, you know, because the boy get on the wrong side, you know. Fire! Fire!
What do you know?
Come help me now. Come here.
You know, I look here, I wake up and I call man.
Yeah.
Take the things, come take the things about I, goods about I, and go down go try sell and make a money. You have a partner for play.
Yeah.
Stop play around, man. Left yard, man. When me say one yard for clean, you get paid for a yard?
No.
Or up and go and say make some money, you know, because you're part of the pay, you know.
Yeah.
And the partner job come and want something out of it, you know.
Yeah, man, you get something out of it.
Yeah, because you say you love me.
Yeah, me love you.
Alright, so you have to pay for your loving. Or up and go down in a town go work where you work. You're a good girl, you know.
Yeah, man, me know.
And I follow nobody say.
Yeah.
I love you.
Me love you too.
Alright, go and go do your thing. And no disturb me now, man. Me I try well rest. I work enough last night already.
What you do, yeah?
You me come look and want to talk to you, you know.
What you want to talk to me, son, now?
Why, right now, want you back, you know.
Me put you out already, you know. And me have a new man up on my yard. So it's too late. It can't happen again.
Which new man you talk about?
The
What you
fire,
talk
man.
about? What you talk about? Which fire?
Think me not gonna tell me, man, what you do me?
What no? I'm my yard this, me no response.
Fire! Fire!
Awa!
You know, say Joe hold up from press and make it turn up.
Who name Joe?
Joe, me ex, man.
When you look for?
She want to come back. And me tell him, say, he can't come back and you up here now.
Yo, what will you
You
want?
lick your man in the
Yeah.
brain.
Where the
lick your man in
Lick
the
you a while ago.
Yeah, lick me a while ago.
We party lick you.
Up here, sir.
Lick him back.
And me they gear them back.
Never lick
And-
you yet.
Yes.
Never lick you yet.
Yes.
Liar girl, never lick you yet.
Yes.
Liar
Yes.
girl, never lick you yet.
Yes. You lick.
You're
Yes.
wicked, you know.
Yes.
You're wicked.
What, baby? That's why I can't give you money, you know. Bakery have a park, you know.
You look nice, for sure.
What you mean?
Big thing.
You're
I
the
love
apple,
it,
you're the apple of my eyes, you know.
Yes.
Not the one on the iPhone, the one in
Alright.
the real life.
Yes, baby.
Yeah.
Babes, you know, say, me get one call to go a country.
Country.
Yes.
Well, me miss it crackers and tea, but me not have a problem, baby. You know, so me can't take care of
So, how the
myself.
breakfast and you did dinner part I go?
No worry about that, baby. Remember, so me had no left over my mother, you know. Me can look about it. I can steam crackers and make tea.
I want to make sure you say you're alright before me leave.
Remember, you know, when I go to work, you know, I can buy food on the road. So you don't have to
love you,
fret.
so, you know. That's why
Yeah.
I have to love you, so. Yeah, good man. Good man.
Good man, because
Yes.
that's what. Me not give you no money, you know.
No, me no say you not give me no money. You're mad.
Any woman call off a hype on the road, you know, me just run them, you know. Sometimes they come on the plaza and they have a thing to wait some minutes.
You're my man. Me no say I
Yeah.
saw you stay and there with no girl with me. And
Yeah.
you a good man.
No worry, I'll get some money and go up a country, so spend all 2 months.
Alright, baby, guess what? I'm going to take up the clothes.
2 months.
Me soon come.
Yeah.
I love him, push me a little more far, baby. No, you want to know what you do, you know. You said you want to know what you do. You know. Him see my woman, now my woman forgot to walk. Go walk here now because bills have to pay, you know. And him assault my woman in front. I kill him once, somebody kill him, you know. And I in a woman yard, him man come. If I kill him on this property, everything good.
But when you kill him and you gone to prison, you know,
No, me not got prison self-defense. It's Shani's property. What am I do over here, so? And me control Shani's property over here, so. The judge have to set me free.
Then nah do that. Me I tell you.
Done, man. Done. Done. Done, me say done.
Done what?
Done. I kill a kill him, man.
You can't go defend you. So
When
when
me
you
thank you for your defense, me star. But up at the yard, more you go.
I control me get totally thick, you know. Come on, go for your
Come on, man.
Fire this not over, you know. You're not done here, sir.
Boy, baby, I tell you, say, Shani is a new man over there. And fight to our next man. The man look like him foot broke. He have a walking tick and ground.
I lie.
And Rasta have a tick and me have to take off Rasta.
So what caused that?
Me don't know about all me know Rasta determined kill the man. But me don't know, you don't have to go after our friend.
Make sure say you don't put yourself in a nobody business, you know.
Listen, baby, you know say me are different, man. Yeah, but me go, my heart and sweat, you know, cause the fight.
So you can go and have a shower now, baby.
Okay, baby.
I carry towel for you in the bathroom.
No problem, honey.
Alright, baby. I want me to say go on up your yard.
Big old fight happened today. Me say my ex-man want come back and me can't take him back. And Ferris have to beat him up and him a try lick me.
Really?
Yeah. You see something tell us Ferris a good man.
Alright,
Later me I go down the road go sell.
Girl, I don't even know how me upset right now. Me say me go forget some money on the machine take with my card, girl, and me want do me here for come on your birthday tomorrow. Me here, if you ever see me here, stay up on the roadside. I'm so upset right now, I don't even know how me mad.
It's my lucky day today.
Excuse me, I see me up on my phone.
And Angel like you is on my job, baby.
Look here, me have a whole heap of problem on my head right now. Me don't have time for your foolishness. Me up on my phone.
I'll never see that, sweetie, but you're on my job.
You blind or something?
Are you blind? Don't you see me in my suit?
And don't they teach you not to invade in people's conversation?
I'm sorry, Mom. But a beautiful girl like you draw a connection between me and you.
Hold on, just a sec. Girl, me soon talk to you, because you get on top of my nerves. We need to find out what's going on, isn't it? Alright, later.
I overheard you on your phone said your card get takeaway. Is that true?
Yes, and your point is hard.
I can pay to do you here. How much that costs?
It's not only here. You know what something I have to do?
Name it. Listen, I don't go to machine. I just tap up people's card. I just do anything. Where you wanna go? I send the money there.
I mean, no man don't never just do something like that and I want something in return.
Listen, baby, listen. Let me tell you this. I can't talk this. This is very private.
So, babes, what you tell a man say there?
You know, so me tell him say me dey down some of my family them. The country me go. So you know say nothing because of my family me go, you know.
Alright. You
I
know me I
think
go
say me
do?
not fi stay too long, you know.
Alright. What you hear me I go do? I go give you some plan and thing for carry in.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and probably 2 finger banana and so yam.
So you not give me no planting.
Yeah, I get plant and banana and yam. Let me tell you something, you know, good all you up here, you know, and I chill out with me and him down there with the man, you know.
To me go. So you know say nothing because of my family me go, you know.
Alright. You know
I
me I
think
go
say
do?
me not fi stay too long, you know.
Alright. What you hear me I go do? I go give you some plan and thing for carry in.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and probably 2 finger banana and so yam.
So you not give me no planting.
Yeah, I get plant and banana and yam. Let me tell you something, you know, good all you up here, you know, and I chill out with me and him down there with the man, you know.
No, sir, me not think so. My man a good man. Him not do that. Me not think so. Me not believe that one day. And that's why me have to tell him like say my family me they go down a country. Cause you see through him not cheat on me. Me don't want him to say me a cheat on him.
What Shanice?
Papa, I want to sit in a shop there, you know.
Alright, where you want, Shanice?
I want 3 chip and 1 drink, you know.
1 chip and 1 drinks?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. So Shanice, want to money? Really? Everything good, what?
Clifton,
Oi,
how you do round there so long?
you know say I plate them in there wash up to cook some food.
You wash up plate so long? I think you go tonight. We could go have dinner. A long time me no go out, man.
Yo, you don't know so me no like eat a road, you know, so that's why me a cook, you see me?
That friend show off. Cause me know say you're a big chef already long time. So where when they cook?
You know say some steamed fish me there plan to cook.
I lie. So you start already?
Yeah man, I plate them me there wash up to start cook.
You never start yet?
No, me never start.
Just make we go out now a long time we no go out. Me feel like we go out, man. A long time. I want to take a walk. Long time me no go out.
No, me never really want to go out still, you know.
Listen to me now. Me don't like how from other day you are going, you know. It's like you don't want to carry me out again and sit me. I think so me a house rat.
Alright.
Yo, me don't like the house rat thing. What you do? You carry me out or you not carry me out? Which one?
Make we go eating, alright?
Alright, babes. Hurry up.
Alright.
Hello?
I know say me see a man downtown today.
I lie.
And in the upper with next man.
Man, I can't me no, because I know you love run joke already, you know. Me no joke.
Me have been pan video with girl, you know, me can send it to WhatsApp, you know.
Send it to me because I want to know if I true you talk, because video not tell lie.
Alright.
Babes. Me have to go right now.
What?
Me have to go right now. Me say fire the down on me yard. Me have to go left. It's urgent.
Fire down your yard?
Yeah, fire the down on me yard and me have to go left right now. But me will call you. Don't worry yourself. Me go call you. Me will call you, man.
Alright, hold on. Make your two plant. Sorry.
Hurry up because me have to hurry.
Yeah man, just stay down in two plant.
Alright. Me will call you.
Alright.
It's every morning when you walk on time to go on the farm. I feel it, baby.
Really?
Yeah, every penny me not need it. I just me I go work with her. Come on, married to you.
Already and you just meet me?
I'm a single man. I don't have no woman. I'm a sister, baby. She's my sister.
Me say I want a go on, yes sir. I'm your sister.
Yes,
Sister?
I'm your sister.
So how me no know this
tell
as
me
sister?
that.
Yes, I'm a sister.
How comes me no know this as
So who
sister?
is she then? To you. So how come speak on your sister?
No, me say my sister.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm sister.
Miss. And his wife. Who are you?
What I what he said my father got.
Yo.
So, yeah, let's
No,
Oi,
calm down. Me no long talk.
Oi,
Who
what
you?
What is this? What is this? Me don't understand what the one is about.
Yo, get up. Yo, get up, man. Get up.
What about me? Look like you're busy though. Where you go?
So what can you me they go?
Boy, you're just busy so. But anyway, remember say this soon time you have a bed now. Go on with tea.
Yeah, man, I'm coming back in time and to get your team. I'm not going to stay long down there.
Want to do your thing?
Sorry, Miss Judith, to come so late the partner money.
Sorry, Shanice. No, sorry, not in this. You always late, Shanice. You ever late. And you see people like you well late. I only want the early draw. And when you don't get to no early draw, when you not come back, me I fear wonder and worry if me don't get the people money. Some people are coming to them for them partner draw, you know, Shanice. And straight because you're lateness. Then nearly haul me a type of a wheelchair. And guess what? Me not going to make no come. Make people come and kill me in my wheelchair for them partner money. So do me a beg you stop late. Because I get too much cousin for this partner dryer. Me see you again. Make sure next time you're early.
Alright, mom.
Because you don't want partner joy early and you feel late every time.
Alright, mom.
Make sure you're early. Me see you. And you see next time, make sure you bring me money come. Because I never care no someone to go a quote for it. You hear what me I tell you, Shanice? Alright, me see you again.
Hello? Babes, I chain no know. Me went well when you answer your phone. You know how long me and call you and me can't get you? You know say me have to run out the little dirty boy. You don't know say me go catch him with woman. You see same thing when me and you just don't talk about. Come like you're a sidekick, my youth. God no. You have to go come down come live with me now, you know. Or if you don't live with me down on my yard, me I come up in your yard come live because me don't want him at my place. Me I go dash him out. He not deserve a woman like me. And you know so me miss you though. You have to go come down. Me I go come check you here. So little more me and you talk. Little more me call you, man.
Where's my baby? I'm ready for the makeup sex, you know? Cause you know, when a man cheat one time, a man deserve another chance, you know? I mean, woogie, woogie, woogie. Yeah, I wanna woogie, woogie. Yeah, baby, come. I'm feeling hot, 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 hot.
How will you do here, sir?
We don't, remember, I wanna give
Me not think you're gone. Where you come back for?
No, I wanna give you the, you know.
Look here. You don't understand when I'm done. It's over.
You can't done, baby. I'm the man for you.
It's finished.
No,
Me ain't not there no more. So what you doing at my place? You need to come out. You're not supposed to there, so.
Baby, I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm waiting on you. Hold long.
You need to come out of this. Cause me have my new man.
Which new man?
And you have to come out and come
Which
in. You're
new
not
man?
staying here.
I will burn down this place.
Burn
Which
down
new
what?
man?
Are you build it? You need to come out of this. I mean, I know long
She
talking
cannot
video.
cook. I told you already. She cannot cook.
She can't cook, and you tell me say you're not there. So oh, you know say she can't cook. Why are you idiot to take me for?
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. He's a confusion, but I'm
You know,
hot.
say you're an idiot right now. You can't even explain yourself. I
I'm
want
hot.
to you.
I'm hot.
Eh?
I'm
I want
hot.
to you. You say me an idiot. You need to come out of this. You need to come out. You need to come out of this. Come out. Come out of my place. All this way I have and my money back. Come out. Step out here.
I'm hot, baby. Why you do this?
See you close them here. Take them and go along with them. Don't come back in my place. Me done with you.
So.
You're not no good man, but you're a good man. You know a good man. You're going to see my good man coming at this. Fool!
So everything
You know
is
see me
done now.
take your money and send you out of this. And it's another man I go spend that. Go on where you go. Me and him I go pack up and buy a big car and drive around the place. And pass and splash up dirty water upon you. You need to get out and me mean say if you come out now.
So what's gonna happen?
Me mean what's going to happen? You don't understand when somebody say if you come out. We don't want you in here so no more.
So who is gonna pay the bills?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. You just need to come out.
Alright, I'm gonna leave, but guess what? I'm gonna leave with a warning. That new man is going to near me down to the brim.
What you say? You not left? You not leave?
Yes.
Are you a place?
Yes.
Okay. Stay there till me come back. Me I go for me last. Boy, stay there. Cause you better than me. We all say who better.
Oh, come here, madman. Oh, are you a new man now?
You know what you talk about, you know. Where look at party I go.
Party in a pickup and stuff. Everything cool.
You
man.
good do?
Yeah, man. That's enough.
Alright, do your thing. Yande.
Yo.
Go on, you understand? My face is so sad. Like, what do you? I see your boyfriend pass a while ago. Look like him and say, boy, him a got a party and him bex. I don't know what you and him have. I don't know.
Party? What kind of party? The boy not got no party. Me run out the dirty boy. That boy feel like he can't come style me. Style who? You see me look like idiot to him. The boy have to left here so. Quick and fast.
As a Rasta youth, me no mind do business. So me no care about no business still, but anything now I don't do it well. You understand? But differently though. Me I look for my woman, Shanice.
Shanice did call me, you know, and she just come and left gone down. So you know, so I don't know if I downtown she gone, but you can call her.
If I don't drink tea in the night, I can't sleep good enough. I up a yard wait for her to come make my tea. And me not see her.
So you can't make tea for yourself. Shanice have to come make tea for you.
You know, it's like how me no mind your business. Me no like people mind my business neither, you know.
You need to go your yard go make your cup of tea and stop come down on my yard and come ask me for your woman every time I want to you.
Oh yeah, hello. Oh yeah, this is so strong. The deal is so strong, man. I know you deal with the daughter as a good way. You see your empress having a relax and thing, you know. So when I deal with a certain way, me I deal with the weak. You know, deal with me too strong.
Don't ask me for your woman every time, my youth. You look like informative I want you.
I want her tea for drink now. If you see her, tell her say up a yard there. And man, I put her out the push contact with you.
You look like messenger you know have your woman number why you don't call her. And ask her where she there.
Me nah no credit, girl. Me nah no credit for my phone. Call her and tell her say I'm up a yard and I want my tea.
You can't take it cheap, man. Go on here.
Come on, I feel drink soup. Cup soup at that. Big king man like me. I feel drink cup soup. I think I get like I'm coming tonight. Make him thinking bad come at tonight. Try get me good coffee tea. Night I can go sleep. And sleep go good. I feel drink cup soup. I don't know where my ramp put in. So no what chance. Think you're bad coming at tonight. Oh, how that? Go on back anywhere you come from. Anywhere you come from, you go on now. Turn out there. Me have to drink cup soup when me tell you to come back in time for me drink me tea. So anywhere you go, stand there. Go on back there, go stay. You can't even drink me cup soup in peace. Hey, we don't want the nice out there knock you know, man. You go on a circle your house.
You have to let me come in yard me there.
Don't tell me no story, girl. Let me say let you in.
Me say if you let me in, me say. I'm in yard me there. Let me in.
Anywhere you come from, you go on back there go sleep tonight.
Me go collect some money, you know. And then they gonna Miss Judith, me go pay my partner, you know. And money left back out of it.
Oh! Yeah, money left back. Yeah, you get money?
Yeah, me get money.
Push money on us, man. Send money. Give me, let me see money. Let me see money. Oh, you're lucky. You can't come in. Come in, girl. You're lucky you pay your toll.
I like where you stay, you know. I like where you stay, you know. Trust me, you know.
Think the boy fire don't get way. It's a way to get the tool here, you know. They know saying say blind there on this corner here. Blind! Blind! They know them say you're so blind there. Blind!
Yo. 90.
Brother, you're dopey, brother. Come out here so I look for your brother. I don't see your brother.
9 man me kill already and no blindy. Why pray?
Yo, never work for you, you know. I want a shows.
All are new.
New shows, man. Man, I beat all shows, brother.
Alright, we'll deal with that.
Brother. Come like a dopey, brother.
Me name 90 man. Slap with people, you know.
Brother, what is brother? How is the care come give me, brother? How this me want, brother?
Bad man, no shows you tell me say you want.
Brother, not this me want, bad man.
What do I you, man?
I don't want this, brother.
Then what you want?
Brother, I want a gun, brother.
Then what me can never say so? Eh? You think man a eyeglass? I want to a youth, man. You come for man ends and come ball out my name and when you see me now, you don't come tell me say you want shows. You don't tell me say you want tool. I want to you.
Brother, get me a tool right now, brother. I want a tool for
get your tool right now. No you talk to me, man. Me are the hit man around here. You have to be careful when you come on them ends here. You understand?
Yeah.
Because of ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Anyway, I will work on that for you. Yo! Them me shows them to man. You know what happen? He told them me have when kind of sell off, you know. So you know what happen? I will link up one link here and make you know when we get it and come check you. You hear that? So you know what? Make sure when we come here have my money, you know. Or else the ashes to ashes, or dust to dust.
Oh, you gonna find me?
You don't worry about that. We will find you, just make sure you have my money. Or else ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
Where you do ya?
Come back for your apology, baby. Love you, I'm sorry.
Me don't believe you. You could have even ball blood and go down on your knee. Me and you left. Me don't care. Me come catch you with woman, me and your wife, and for respect on your wife. Me and you done.
Me understand that, baby, but that, me and I know there. It was like a contract. She's giving me a contract.
Contract or con? A con you con me? Or you talk about contract with that the woman there?
No, as in contract, as in making
right
money.
now, you disappoint me. Because I never know say I saw you stay.
So what is gonna take me to come back, baby?
After me a brag and a boast, so you're a good man. I disappoint me with. Woman me come catch you with.
Oh, well, me care upon the anniversary. No worry, just take me back, please. Anything going cost me.
Me not take you back. Me not take you back. And me not in that the foolishness there with you.
Come on, anything going cost me right now. Me need it in my life.
Really?
Me tired of driving
Anything
Span
will
Road.
cost? Okay. Me need 550,000 in my account right now. I need to send it straight to my phone. Let me see it.
Me only can give you 350,000 now, baby. Take it. It's a lot of money. Yes,
You
baby.
think me an idiot? Like when you give me 50,000 that done long time, you better give me 550,000.
I'm not gonna promise you 550 now, but I
If
can.
me want is come out of me yard.
I'll give you 350, baby.
Me say 550 is come out of me yard. A that me say and a that me mean.
I'll give you 525 then, please.
Me no in no talking. The long blah blah blah. Me say 550,000. That's it. Final.
All right, baby. As long as you take me back. Deal, baby, deal. I love you. You're my sugar. I love you.
You're lucky so me never ask you for more than that.
Thanks, baby. So you take
550,000 and me need you to send it to me account right now.
Okay, baby, I'm gonna do that now.
So we are careful flowers, Kongi.
It's for you, baby.
And
Look,
turn up so long with you and you can't see your no mind. You're confused.
it's yours, baby. Look,
And you have it so
red
long.
and white, your favorite color.
All me know say. I know the woman you take it from and come give me.
I would never do that. I take it from out of my vase.
Really?
Yes, baby.
Alright. Anything you say?
Yeah.
So I tell you thank you.
Oh, yeah, me can go around there, go sit down now, baby, in your favorite chair, baby.
Thanks.
Okay, honey. Oh, my God.
Yo,
Yes, baby.
now baby me. Me no want you get too comfortable. Nobody get too comfortable here so the money me a defend.
Money, baby. Remember, say it's on the phone, so I can just go in the bank account.
You need
and
to
then-
send it now. You take too long to send it.
And
550,000, no less than that.
Same account you use, baby?
Same account.
Okay. Can I get a bowl of soup, baby?
All I soup, you have to see the money first.
Tell them about the woman that we have to go live like Rasta, cause Rasta get benefit and me and lose. The little money, the little dead insurance, I've got on my jeans.
Yes, baby, me see the money. That's why I feel love you saying, I'm say I'm a good man.
I'm
So,
not
you
like
want
the
something
Rasta,
to eat?
you know? Me is a different man now.
You know about that hungry again?
Of course, I need my soup.
You need soup.
Yeah, with a piece of yam, a piece of banana, and a piece of natural peas. Okay, baby?
Okay, I'm going to give you your favorite soup.
Okay, baby.
Alright.
I love you. Put your sweat in it.
I will put my sweat in it. Love you, baby. Mwah. Favorite soup.
Mga yan! Mga yan! Mga yard. The boy no big like me, you know. Something that live long time. Baby, how you go with that? How you go with that? I hot water that's enough.
What do you?
The woman born me up in my back, but that don't hurt me. 600,000 gone down in jail. Looking at me back here, so. You red?
Yes, you burn up, man.
Bad.
Yeah, bad.
Where?
I hope that's
You see that woman they watch me and her?
So I saw you do with Papa rough.
Boy, if you get styling when they try to style up woman. See him? Me have to style up a little dirty boy. In lucky say me I no kill him. Burn up him and guess what? Me make the boy have to give me some money in my account first. Time and style me and take me for fool.
Yo, I go and me kill that. There, man.
Jaja,
you know, for when me I look for your bro, God, and can't find her. Jaja, you come like a right time emotion, my friend, man.
What do you mean, man? So, what do you do with this, man?
When me there, man, I go on with that one vibe, man, G, man. You know, like badness come down my head, my friend. Yeah.
Come on, take two. What you're writing now? The woman that we live with, and I'm mine. Yeah, big money, no, no.
Yeah.
You know me, that man come now.
You know, man, forget things, you know.
I don't know, chicken feed money. You man take man for me and throw water for me. Hot water. Look at what I'm going to put up.
Man, them things they can't go and make it a salmon. What kind of salmon they are there for, bro? Right now.
The green. I know that one between and the new man when they come in. You want you do know. I want you follow me go because a woman will love beat man, you know.
I mean, me kill a man, a normal pray man, right now, man, brother. Yo,
Alright, so here babes, we are going to put on the pot. Alright? Yeah man, so as soon as you're ready, me call you.
Alright, babe. Don't stay long in the car right now, me hungry.
Alright.
You know, you say enough to come in my yard.
Is that you take me back or you take a surprise me off you?
Fool, come out of my yard, idiot.
Alright.
You need to leave. Bright. Both need to take you back a yard surprise. You don't want a surprise for you.
Get
boy,
my friend. Oh God, man.
Yeah, deal with a long time I don't see you.
I mean, man, long time friend, man.
Pick up yourself. We are dealing with a long time I don't see you. How are you doing?
And thing, man.
A long time I don't see you.
A long time I don't see you.
So
I get brown like you're inside like all the time.
You're drinking it. Take
What
a
you
drink.
mean, man? Right now, my friend, man.
Hold on.
No joke, man. Look good. Jaja, yo. She look good. Oh, Jaja, I forgot. Dog, you know, I think guy, bro.
What you come here to do?
Relax now, bro, God, man. Relax, man.
Relax on what?
Bro.
I think you love your belly.
Bro, God, then your badness come down, man. A normal pray, man. I'm a friend, man.
You come here to do something or what? From you down a bar, you drink, you come here and say you drink. And that's why I say you see, oh no, Jamaican police.
Action. I wonder what they start talk about.
Between me and you, I know me, you know. I know me. Maybe I want to look at apology letter, you know. Lover boy, you know.
Lover boy, apology letter. You must be mad. Because me don't want that. You're crazy. Summons. And me and serve summons dirty boy. Me not got no coat. Left out of me yard and go. Come out of me yard. I want to you. How you feel like? And you come back here, so boy, me done you.
Miss Judith!
Oi! I want to call me sorry tonight, man.
A fire us, man.
Why you come out here now?
You know, say my girlfriend say my children partner him to come pay partner for her because she gone for the road early this morning.
That means you come pay the partner.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you very much. Because every time you come late with the partner, me and somebody quarrel over my partner. All the one with them candy. Come here that they are war me and not just for Chinese hand to come in, you know. Because when Chinese him come late at the day, he come late in the week.
For no one, me come pay, man, because some of the time him brain no there so. Now yourself, for no one, me try control you and ensure you get your money early, you see it?
Alright, sir. Thank you.
I know yourself, man.
Oi,
Well, it's up here from nowhere like you're dopey.
you say when everything up, if you page you know. So what you deal with? So yo, you have my money, come smell something like money upon you, but a little bit, you know. So yo, what you say? You have my money, bad man.
Yeah, man. Me have your money.
Run that then now.
What you think there?
Yo, run my money first. You know what they call me?
Hold on. What you told? Brother, me can't do no transaction and I don't see what I'm supposed to
Yo,
get,
you
brother.
know what they call me? A blindy. Hit blind. So don't make me have to overdo it.
Alright.
Run my money.
Here we go. Hold on upon this, sir.
Yo, what is it?
See me also.
Oh. Hey, yo, next time you can more cheese for the ends, you know. Because this is a mouse here, you know. And you have a little bit of cheese. You know, so I still smell the strong, yes, sir. Bad man, we done do business already. What you do, yes, sir?
Tell me what you do.
Yeah, man, you won't have a work for you deal with for me, you know. My foot broke. And I can't make no crime. I pay you for deal with it.
So, you hear me? Now you do one business and it kind of a little bit shaky, you know. So, how much you pay me for this mission, you know? Because I don't work cheap, you know. So, I wonder if you have money to deal with this.
Yeah, man, me start you out.
Alright, you what? When you come, you get something for him. Whether on a t-shirt or one on tie head or something. Because guess what? Man blind, you know. Sniff me, have to sniff him out. You hear that?
Yeah, man.
Alright, consider it done.
Bomba! How am man down so quick?
Hey boy, thief, how you do? How you do, you? Man, sure go be a man. Watch out, next time catch him yard, I'll kill you, no boy. I want people boy, you know.
Yo, you know, so me go figure get the shirt. And the boy fire us. Rush me. Now if you run left the shirt, brother. But you want me and the touch the shirt and me get the smell off our shirt.
That kind of weak, man. But anyway, get something out of it still.
You see me and him grab up. And you rasta, you know, someone said left for me.
Yeah, man, but trust me, if you sent higher than for him, sent, I smell bad from morning. You understand? Yo, you know how you name Fire Us?
Yeah, man. Live right down there, see me?
Where him there?
Down there, someone.
Alright, now see your word. Yo,
Oh, yeah, they're coming so close. What do you know, sir?
it smell like a Rasta, sir.
Yeah, man, a Rasta, man. Every Rasta smell alike, man. What you talk about?
You know why you name for your Ras?
Original Ferras.
Yes.
Yeah, I know him, man.
Where him there?
Yeah, man, I know if I can find him, man. But just right now, there and man, Raw, you know, you, me I tell you, so right now, if you couldn't touch me, I think we couldn't carry a good on the journey. No, man, we don't move for anything. I say, for a man, I don't eat no food, you know. Give me a thing, I'm carry a show party man, man. You talk about?
Alright. So 1,000 yeah.
Alright, my boy.
Yeah, man. Come up on the end.
Yeah, man, I'm carry a show party, boy, Ferras. You know, if you're not like 6 there, I'm cover ground that, you know, man.
Alright.
Cover ground, man.
Alright.
Just walk on, man. Walk on, man.
Oh, man. How can I roll this hammer on a chemical, man?
I'm in here, Ferras Road.
Oh, you name so?
Well, for the a madman, man. Can't believe it. To go access and so they lock up candy, you know. The God. Miss Judith!
Oi!
Me done show you the profiles. Me come early, you know.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, man. My partner jam me come to collect, yeah.
Are you going to collect the partner?
Yeah, me come to collect it, man.
So why Shanice never come?
She busy up and do something, man, so we must collect it.
Or you intend to come for it because you come to split it or you want to split it or you come to take all right for her? Because I notice saying I help her out, you know, because the other day me see she a walk a pick up buckle and a sell panty a roadside to show the partner. Me never see you a come till when the partner near to draw. You start come. Although you come early, me so glad you did come early. That's nobody not to come back and try fight me. Want haul me out of the piece of wheelchair, fling me out a door. But me not understand why are you they come now why you job. Me want to talk to Shanice. Me not think me want to give you it.
When I work at night, you then in bed asleep. I work at night time. I work at night, Shani's working the day. You see her picking up pint, you see her selling panty in the road, but I'm working in night. Me have a night job, I'm up on the night shift. So don't worry yourself, man, the thing original and official. You understand? You want me can call her right when you talk to her. Shanice baby, I'm at the partner place now, with Miss Judith. Me I collect the money for you, but she don't really trust me, you know. Serious? Talk to her.
Hello, Shanice. Me should I give Fire us the partner money? You serious? If you really give the partner money to Fire us, or you want to come for it yourself? Because me no understand why you send Fire us. I love you love Fire us more than yourself, girl. You're not afraid to run off with it? You not run off with it? Alright, me go and give him. Are your man, me go and give him. Jennifer! You can pass that envelope on top of that place they give me. The same one where they tell me put on the stuff for Chinese partner.
Yeah, Miss Judy.
Alright, thank you. Mas Fires, me I get the partner. Me no want you to take it to Shanice. Shanice come and tell me say shot. And tell Shanice say me say tell her say 6 weeks left in her it. And the one when you Candy best friend have 2 more hand in there. And she are the main one, and me can't hold no argument with her when she come to pay her partner, you know. Because she pay her partner good. You don't know when she get pay her man and give her so much money, because about 6 hands she did, and she had 2 more hands left in there. And tell her, say me a beg her, no make it late next time when they come. And like how you take up the opportunity if you come pay, make sure you come with you, you know.
Yeah, man.
You
Hey,
sure?
money, so, you know, let
We just want to make certain say you're coming back with the partner money.
Yeah, man, thanks, mommy. We are talking about I don't love you love all of people money, so you know. So me a pay when you come and I no long talking, no. For me cash and this money, me just give it so. You see if you drink liquor, me like it still, no. You see if you drink liquor, me buy you a drink or rum. But anyway. I rum me da buy you, me no buy people more than rum. I rum me buy people. Later, mommy, take yourself.
Yeah, next time come back early.
Yeah, man, alright.
Oh, I'm to this a big old fool man, yeah, man.
I want to you. How if you put the ticket in the way, you know see me? What you put the tick there for?
Yo, we see I'm blind.
Oh, you're blind for choose. So what blind you?
Look, you see I know this a mission I'm depend, you know. Yo, what you don't even know, you know, dog. You all know somebody at club I look up on that one girl. And I'm gonna say, yo, I can't look up on that girl. And I say, yo, I mean, say I can't look up on that girl. You know, I'm look up on that girl, come juke up me 2 eye them now. And you want to know, say, I be red, me see after that. And darkness. See any day I see that boy, ashes to ashes and dust to dust.
Yeah. Miss you, yeah?
You better. Hey boy, look, you see another mission I'm upon you know.
What go on general, you know, say, you live life, though, but I place you come back fast still, you know.
Yo, you are going. That not gonna work, you know. That not gonna work.
So me ask you a question now. You want to have double whopper, so what you do?
You buy something or what?
You want me to buy, but I want to take a seat over there so still. So, you just want a water.
I want alright.
Yeah, man.
No say.
Allah. Yo, you know long man I wait for you. Come in man, for me you like a boy up at one shop, but I'm not sure for him. So forward, you know. Alright, I wait for you. I don't wait too long, you know. It's me come for you instead, you know. And you know me move. Oh. Ashes, you know.
When we done pay, we never answer.
You want to pay for that, you know, no joke thing that, you know.
Don't worry, man.
Alright.
Yes, yo, give me one crackers to the general.
See boy in there today. Right, left, right. See boy pass you. Shot me brother.
Yeah, man, go sit down. Yo, you not have to worry yourself, you know, you're safe. I know we didn't come for. Yeah, man, we're good.
Chang, me don't know about you, but me want to go home.
Girl, right now me not left without my money, you know.
Alright. You are going. Chief you. Chief you.
3,000 all over the last night. How can I start this, sir? No, man, me not work with this. 3,000.
Alright. You are going. Now go down the town to see if we can drop this more food from a machine and make it this in.
I come up, sir.
No, no, but say it, man. We take care of you. Not to worry yourself. In?
I
Yeah,
tell
man.
a piece you want, so just get 7 more put on this thing.
Alright. No rain. Me start you.
No ramp with me, now. You know, see, I play the boy, I play with friend. Look how much money the boy have in his pocket, and you know, see, I 2 away.
Maybe like say $3,000 can you know.
3,000 a piece. Like we are kids need. Tell me now. After the amount I work out, put on 3 dead thousand in our hand.
And you should have given more than that, you know.
That boy they don't rate we now. Him don't rate we none at all. $3,000. This can't you buy me ear.
And me can't be born with this.
Hello, miss. Beg you a minute there, please. Good day. Me have a look. Problem, you see? Me a come for all the way a man to go be right come check one big man. After we put on one bag of thing in the bedroom last night, now come out here now and sit down and I wait for my little dividends. Cause me love them something here now. The man go look for him give me $3,000.
$3,000?
And I know US. Tell me if that right. 3,000
Man, you
Jamaican
perform
dollars.
good, man. You perform good?
Me say me do everything in our book. He say we even perform better than the woman we have up here.
Really?
Yes, me and my friend, and he look for me and give me 3,000 each.
I wonder which man that. Can no man can't give me no $6,000, then I have to give me more than that. A which man?
Slackness, not you know the man who own the shop.
Really?
Girl, me love money, you know, but me not lose my life.
No, me not go and left me money.
Girl, come on.
Wait for me.
Marvelous, wonderful. This is more than bold and beautiful. Look how me have one woman. And you burn me up with hot water. And see new man now a 2 burger me seen come in with you know. I say I treat me and me love you. Eh? Me was a good man. And you know that too.
You're a real good man.
What you mean, baby? I want woman. You give me a chance, please. Just
You
a
need
chance.
a chance. Hold on there. Me soon come back.
And that's why I love you, say, you know. Long time want to come back still, you know. Long time you man ready to go.
I love you too. Me soon come back.
Yeah, baby. I'm if you want fire.
Ready? Alright. Thank you guys for watching. As always, it's a pleasure to create new content for you guys. We are creating a brand new movie for this Christmas. Hopefully we can get it ready, but we are trying our best. Alright, Curious is going to tell you guys a little bit about the brand new one that we are doing.
Yeah, blessed, you know. It's always a joy working for the people them and when they show appreciation. So please advise friend if you don't subscribe now, you know, cause we need the support because we're doing the work. You understand? And it's a big movement. So we have a new movie for the Christmas that we're working on, more than one, but the main one now is No Tears for the Wicked. It's a female type of show where female is gonna love this the idea, yeah. You know, geared for more to female. But male go watch it too because enough girl going there to do a bag of different things. But you have to watch it if you understand what I'm saying. See it? So burn it down to the ground. Thanks for watching. I don't know if we're celebrate Christmas. We celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. Because we're there now, it's easier now. Today are the second, I go to the third, I go to the fourth. Yeah, one of them days. You understand? So burn it down to the ground.